Hey guys, it's me, the Twilight Dash, and today I'm gonna try to sing I'm on a Yacht. So, let's get right into it. Hey, hey, check a new ride. The wind is blowing, I'm feeling real fine. Me and my girls are pumped up, that's right. Gotta see some done for the end of the night. Hold up, past sunscreen, can nobody stop us from doing our thing? Flossing on and with a bling bling, pink pies on deck, as fast you'll bring, highs on the eye. It's a special kind of part, essential that we can always go play because it's essential. We got floating on beaches, swinging sea. But fabulous, phenomenal, don't you agree? Hey, 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 hands in the air. Oh, 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 wind in the hair. Hopping onto some plants, EG's on this yard. Hey, hey, step it on lemonade, shine bright. About friend or chance, excuse me, LVIP now, because EG's on this yard. Oh no, the sun's beating down. H fell asleep when no one's around. What? Now she got burned and a serious frown. That won't even stop from really getting down. Hey, did you drop that beat? She knows what rhythm to move off beat. Dab in a pool to escape the heat. Now we're getting hungry and it's time to eat. Also on a silver plate because also we matter because all spend the page each one meat. The guy made inside. I'm so sad. Hey, 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 hands in the air. Oh, 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 wind in the air. Harping on the phone on the EG's on this yard. Hey, hey, sipping on lemonade. Shine bright, but we're throwing no shade yet. Exclusively VIP now, because EG's on this yard. We're living our life like this moment never ends. Sun shines on us so brightly when we're chilling with friends. Hey, 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 hands in the air. Oh, 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 winds in the air. Hopping on, so floating on, so EG's on this air. Hey, hey, sipping on lemonade. Shine bright. But we're not sharing EG because we're VIP because EG's on this yacht. Anyways, that was my attempt at singing EG's on this yard. As you can tell, I was struggling because this song is very fast, and I'm not a fast reader, sadly. So yeah, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye.